let's make a start with our ingredients. We're going to need smoky bacon and some chicken that's been cut up into fairly small pieces, some cheese. I've got some really strong cheddar cheese here that's been grated, and we're going to need some stock, about half a pint, some potatoes, we've got some garlic here, 3 cloves that have been chopped up, some chopped up carrot and some chopped up onion. Here I've got some garden peas out of the freezer, and we're going to need to make a roux, so we need some flour and we're going to need a little bit of butter, so there it is. Also some salt and pepper for seasoning and a sprinkling of mixed herbs. Then I'll put a frying pan on the hob, medium heat is fine. In we go with a drop of vegetable oil, cooking oil, olive oil, whichever oil we want to use. We're going to let this warm up, and then we're going to add the onions, carrots, garlic. Pop that all in, and we're going to mix this up into the hot oil and let it cook down for a little while, or some people might say let it sweat down for a bit. Let it bubble away and cook until it's fairly soft. And at this point we can put in the chicken pieces and the smoky bacon. That all goes in. Give this a nice mix together. Now we want to leave this in for a little while, perhaps 4 or 5 minutes, till the chicken's cooked right through. You'll know when it's cooked right through. It just looks cooked. It goes really white like this, and the bacon, and at this point it's really smelling absolutely fantastic. I wish you was here to smell it yourself. So while that's cooking, we'll get another pan, pop that on hob, in with a big knob of butter. Now what we're going to do here, we're going to make a roux, sort of quite a French word really, isn't it, a roux? So we melt the butter down, in with 1.5 tablespoons full of flour, any sort of flour that you want to use. And when it's been cooked out for a little while to get rid of the floury taste, we can start adding the stock, little by little. Don't put it on all at once, just a bit at a time, and keep it mixed. Eventually you will end up with this. Looks a bit like a soup, but as it gets really hot, it's going to thicken. And that's what we want. So when it's thickened, we'll go in with our cheddar cheese, and that's going to thicken it even more. So in that goes, and we're going to give this a good stir, mix this all in. And it's at this point I like to put in a little bit of seasoning just to flavour it up. Put in as little or as much as you want. Now I like a bit of salt, but mostly I love that black pepper. So in we go with that. Don't hold back, don't be shy. Stir again. And we can go in with our meaty pieces. In with the chicken, in with the bacon. And oh yes, stir again. And in with the garden peas. Then it's time to fill our pie dish. Now this dish here is my favourite, but you can use your favourite. We pile it in, and I'm going to bring this up to pretty much filled really. Now I'm going to top the pie with our mashed potato. There it is, creamy and fluffy, beautiful mashed potato. Then it's off to the oven, gas mark 6, for about 25 minutes until it is brown and crispy on the top and heated right the way through, and it looks like this. Absolutely delicious. And it really tastes so good too. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. See you all again next time, and bye from me, and bye from my kitchen too.